Hey guys, it's me Romeo, and today I'm going to show you my mechanical pencils from the previous video that I just uploaded. So I'm going to unbox them because I just showed you them. So yeah, so if you're new to my channel, my name's Romeo, and yeah, I have 12 subscribers, so I'm trying to get my channel up more. But I am going to start doing more fun videos because it's summer. Well, it's going to be summer and it's starting to get nicer outside. So I'm gonna make some new videos, and I might be getting a GoPro. So that's gonna be good too. So I can just do videos with it, and then I can just upload it on my phone and stuff. So yeah. So let's get on to this video. So we're gonna open the pack. Satisfying. Peeling this off is so satisfying. Oh, okay. Take it all off. Okay. Oh. Brand new pencils smell. So, here they are. They're nice. Mechanical pencils. And they have pretty good lead. Focus. Focus. Oh, whatever. So yeah. Here's mechanical pencils. Put it back. So I have different variety of colors. So I have red. I have orange, yellow, green, light green, light blue, blue, and purple. And I will be giving away some of them because I only have like 5 more weeks of school. So that's a plus to me. And I got some lead. A 30 piece. And this is a 24 piece. So I can basically put an extra in there when I need to. And these are not going to go fast. I am not giving these out to people or anything except for the little giveaway that I'm doing. But I'm not going to say who I'm going to give them away to people because they're just my family that subscribe to me. It's pretty sad, but I mean, they're supporting me, so yeah, so this is my lead thing. So you push this down and then you just he just fell all over my hand. Well, that just happened. Well, I'm gonna put it back gently so none of them break because I don't want any of them to break. Perfecto. See? I'm just getting them in. Okay, put my mechanical pencils aside. Grab all this lead if I can. Perfect. I really don't even care if they're if it's less lead than what it was before because I only have 24 pencils and I only have 24 mechanical pencils and this is the 30 piece, so it really won't matter. And yeah, and then I got a chapstick. It's pretty good. It smells like cherry. I love this one. And it feels really good on your lips. Watch. It runs really smoothly. Haha. Okay, so yeah. And we have some birds. I'm gonna go show you them because why not? my grandpa and cousin are watching a movie. So yeah, let's go see the birds. Good morning, babies. How are you today? Yep, so you can see them. They have this ginormous cage. One time we left the cage open and we were just all sitting, and then the girl just started getting used to us, the one with more white. And she just starts coming out through here and then just walking on the outside of her cage. I'm like, oh, that's so cool. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave some comments. Whatever I need to work on, whatever, okay? I don't care. Thank you. Bye.